Good morning, everybody. Jake here with Bakes Foods, and I just wanted to make a short video to let you guys know that I'm here in Koh Samui, Thailand. And I'm going to be shooting, actually have been shooting, a lot of videos. Going to have a bunch of great food vlogging, some cooking content, all that coming, a little bit of lifestyle videos too as well. Going to be coming to the channel. I'll make sure to be putting our weekly videos back at it. Sorry we have been slacking, I've been a little busy, I got COVID, all that fun stuff. But right now I'm just here in my villa that I rented in Koh Samui, an island in South Thailand. It's so beautiful. The food has been amazing.
Sometimes.
อันนี้เป็น
ข้าวเหนียว
แบบออริจินอล
and it's tum sip
ต้มแซ่บ
alright, we're gonna eat it.
We've been going to the beach doing some clam digging, so I'll have a video on that.
Looks like it.
sorry
Yep, that's a clam. And boom. A little bigger than the other ones, huh?
Maybe gonna do some snorkeling. We're gonna go to the mainland, check out some of the more local, off the beaten path stuff.
นมัสการขอพรพระบรมสารีริกธาตุและรูปเหมือนหลวงปู่ลำดวนนี่เลยสวยมาก
สวยมาก The Mai Market.
And yeah, I've got some cooking videos coming up too with some Thai locals and some good street food stuff. Show you guys where some of the great sites are. And I'll show you my villa. I rented a nice big villa with a pool.
We just had a storm last night, so there's all sorts of leaves and stuff in the pool. They probably won't be here to clean it for a while, so I'm gonna grab that net and clean it myself a little bit here. But I just wanted to show you guys the motorbike I rented. This thing, sweet. Oh yeah. Size pool. There's papaya, mango, all sorts of fruit trees around.
Everything is really inexpensive. It's fairly cheap, so I definitely recommend it. And right now I'm just enjoying my coffee and getting ready to embark on the day's adventure and shoot some more great content for you guys. So, cheers, and I'll see you soon. Please let me know in the comments section below what you guys want to see and what you guys want to see me cook. You guys want to see some lizards? There's like probably 6 lizards, you know, jinchok, little mini geckos living inside the house, which I guess is a good thing because they eat the insects. But other than that, guys, let me know what you want to see, and I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope everybody's staying safe, and until the next one, Bakes out.